If you're experiencing issues with Roblox multiplayer performance, there are several steps you can take to improve your experience. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and enhance your gameplay. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can test your speed using an online speed test tool. If your connection is slow, consider resetting your router or contacting your ISP. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth or system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and other games. This will free up resources for Roblox. Step 3. Adjust Roblox settings. Open Roblox and navigate to the Settings menu. Lower the graphics quality and disable any unnecessary features like shadows or reflections. This can help improve performance, especially on lower-end devices. Step 4. Update your device. Make sure your device's operating system and graphics drivers are up to date. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that can enhance your gaming experience. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox. This can fix corrupted files and ensure you have the latest version of the game. By following these steps, you should be able to improve your Roblox multiplayer experience. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.